Arnold Schwarzenegger has led the celebrity tributes to Burt Reynolds as he dubbed the actor as a trailblazer. The 82-year-old icon tragically passed away yesterday after reportedly suffering a cardiac arrest, and stars have already flooded social media with tributes to the Deliverance actor, with Arnold being one of the first to comment on the news. The Terminator star tweeted, "Burt Reynolds was one of my heroes. He was a trailblazer. He showed the way to transition from being an athlete to being the highest paid actor. And he always inspired me. He also had a great sense of humor. Check out his Tonight Show clips. My thoughts are with his family." Other stars to pay tribute included Billy Dee Williams, Steve Harvey, Ricky Gervais, and Elijah Wood. Comedian Steve posted a picture of himself and the Boogie Nights star on Twitter with the caption, "Very sad hearing about the passing of Burt Reynolds. He was a great actor, a philanthropist, and a pioneer of the cool mustache. Thank you, Burt. You will be missed." Billy said, "Burt Reynolds was a friend of mine. Sad to hear of his passing." While Elijah added, "Sad to hear of the passing of legend Burt Reynolds." And Ricky commented, "R.I.P. Burt Reynolds. Seems his whole career was tongue-in-cheek. Always warm and funny." What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.